All right, now you had to draw the number line with your own humps or jumps to make it go. So it says that we're starting at 8/3. So 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3. So there's my first jump to show where I'm at. Let me make sure. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3. Now I'm going back 2/3. 1/3, 2/3. So this is where my answer would be. So I know it's 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3 would be my answer, or 2 wholes. Now we're going all the way back to 8/3 for 8/3 minus 4/3. And this time they want us to go back 4/3. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3. So that would be 3/3, 4/3, or 1 and 1/3. Either one would be fine with me. Now we're going to 8/3, and they want us to go back a whole. So if we're thinking thirds with a whole, they want us to go back 3/3. So 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. So that's 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, or 1 and 2/3.